I'm back for round 2. I'm gonna see if I can turn this out something to go with them meatballs. We're gonna do some deep fried ravioli since we already got those breadcrumbs we had earlier. So, we got some flour. We have egg wash. And we have breadcrumbs. And I've got some wax paper on my cutting board to set them on. So we're going to do these kind of like how we did our country fried steaks. Egg wash, flour, egg wash, and breadcrumbs. Now it's best to do these ravioli when they're frozen, I think. Mine aren't, but that's what they should look like. I'm gonna go ahead and make up, I probably got 40 more of those in that bag, so I'll make those up and I'll be back. All right, we've got our cooling rack from earlier. Looks like our oil is pretty close. I believe that'll do. We ended up with about 25. I didn't really have enough egg wash to do the rest of them if I wanted breakfast in the morning. Now these won't take long. You can usually see them start browning around the bottom. I don't believe we're going to be able to get on these at one time. All right, I'll bring you back when we flip. All right, those just took a few minutes. I'll try not to get them mega brown. Just pretty brown. All right, now they'll get a couple minutes on this side too. And I'll bring you guys back when we plate and try. All right, these turned out wonderful. Got a little portion sit out there. Look awful pretty. So I hit them with a little extra Parmesan, some salt, and some of that fresh parsley. You know, I'm fair-skinned, got gray eyes and some light brown hair, but I think I missed a good chance at being Italian. But those are wonderful. They're so crunchy. I guess it turned into a cheat day after all. These will be plated up with the meatballs and stuff. And I'll put a dipping sauce in the middle with some toothpicks and stuff there. Other than these, I'm going to do a shrimp ring, some homemade cocktail sauce. How I do that's ketchup, horseradish, lemon juice, and some celery seed. Everybody makes theirs different. And I'm going to do some little smokies and stuff. So, hope you guys have a great New Year's. We're probably going to hang out here. I got some hand fireworks like Roman candles, bottle rockets, stuff like that for the kids. So, that's probably what we'll be getting into. Hope 2024 treats you guys great.